Let me tell you a secret about USMLE. This exam is not for the students who remember the most or memorize the most. This game is all about who is the most consistent during the preparation and have the best application skills.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Patel Soham, and in this video we are going to talk about what USMLE actually wants from you. So since the exam is going pass-fail, you don't need to worry about the scores, but you should definitely worry about the pillar which you are going to build for the step 2. The step 2 is still based on the numerical score, and most of the program directors are going to focus on the step 2 scores. Now you will just go and say, hey, I need to pass the USMLE step 1 and then I will really work hard for the step 2. Actually, no, it does not work like that. Even if the step 1 is pass-fail, you cannot go on like performing average on the step 1 and performing fantastic on the step 2. And if you want to score really good on the step 2, you need to have a very clear base on the step 1, because approximately 60% of the step 2 is based on the step 1. The biggest mistake is to think that you need to know everything for this exam, but actually this exam tests the depth of your knowledge, not the amount of the knowledge. Most common mistakes students make is they don't start solving questions during the early phase of their preparation until they think that they are ready to start solving questions. What they do instead is they go on reading the book which they are reading, highlighting the content from the book and then rereading it, which are proven worst study techniques by a lot of studies and articles. Some students, including myself, find it more useful when you look at the questions before actually studying the particular topic. What happens when you do this is, when you are actually studying the topic, you knew what the content you need to focus on more, and what the test taker actually wants you to think and know about the particular topic. It just makes things so easy to go on. And the most important thing about the question bank is that actually serves you as a learning resource. What most of the students do when they try to solve questions is, if they don't know or they cannot relate to a certain topic, they just guess the answer and move on. Actually no, when I tell you that the trick is to solve a lot of questions, it's not just guessing the answer and reading the explanation that makes it effective. The time between reading the question and selecting an option is the most crucial, because that's where your brain actually thinks, and this is the way where you can get most of the questions correct. Active recall and spaced repetition. One of the most effective study techniques proven by a lot of research and studies. But when I tell you to use spaced repetition, you don't need to go and use multiple apps or methods to use spaced repetition. When you do the questions, you actually expose yourself to all the types of questions, and the questions are repeating itself, the same topic again and again. If you start doing 60 to 80 questions per day for 1 month, you will notice that at a certain period of time, you are actually getting the repeated questions on the same topics again and again. These questions basically does the job of spaced repetition and active recall very well. The takeaway from this video is, you actually need to get into test taker's mind and understand what this exam actually wants from you. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and consider subscribing. See you in the next one.